Hi friends, welcome back. I have one more fun wormy work to show you for the week, okay? And it's one of my favorites. So this is what you're going to need out of your take-home bag. You're going to need this baggie. It's got some beans in it. We're going to pretend that these black beans are dirt because we've already talked about how worms they need to live in the dirt because they don't like the sunlight and it's nice and cool and they help our earth and they're our friends. So you're going to need this baggie, and then you're going to also need this paper from your resource folder called Worm Graph. Yeah, we're going to do some number work. This will be fun. And you're also going to need a plate, okay? So grab any old plate from your kitchen. Now you're going to notice when you open up your baggie that you are going to have 3 colors of pipe cleaners in there. Once again, these pipe cleaners are going to be our worms. So what you want to do is take out all of the pipe cleaners. There's a lot in there. I think if I counted them one by one, I think you should have 30. That's a big number. So get those out, and if you want, you can use your pinchers and you can make them all wiggly and twisty like we did with our other work when we used our lint roller and picked them up and saved them from the birds. Or you can just leave them straight. It's up to you. So what you want to do is take all your wormies and put them on your plate. Yeah, put them all around. You can even use a tray, like if you have a cookie sheet, that might even be fun too. Because then you can spread your worms out more. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle these in here. And then I'm going to take my dirt and I'm going to cover them up. So here's all my worms on my plate. And now I'm going to take my dirt, my beans, and I'm going to cover them all up. I'm going to sprinkle them around. Now they won't really cover them, but we can pretend. It'll be fun. It'll be a fun play. See what my plate looks like? It looks like a wormy, dirty mess. Now, if you pick up this stick, I have a little magnet on the end. I made you your very own magnet wand, okay? But boys and girls and parents, make sure that little brothers and sisters do not get this. This is not really something that you want to play with if you're running around your house. Keep it up at the table because we don't want anybody to put this in their mouths. That would be very dangerous, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your magic wand, your magic magnet, and you're going to go find a worm. Whoa! I think I caught 3 worms on my magnet. So I'm going to take my pinchers and I'm going to take it off and I'm going to find the color on my graph. I'll show you. So here is green, yellow, and purple. So I just found a yellow worm, so I'm going to put it on the first spot on my graph. And now I have a purple worm. I'm going to put that one on the purple, where the purple worms go, and I got another yellow one. So now, let me see if I can make my camera tilt down a little bit so you can see what my graph looks like. I'm going to slide it up. So this is what your graph should look like. I've got 2, well, this is hard. Let me see. There we go. I have 2 yellow worms and 1 purple worm. Now I'm going to see which worm color makes it to the top of my graph first, makes it to number 10 first. So I'm going back in. I'm going to get another one. Whoa, look at how many worms I grabbed there. Maybe I can pretend this is a shovel and I carefully dug some worms out of the ground. So I have another purple. Oh boy. So now I have 2 purples. I have another green, another purple, another purple, another purple. And 2 more greens. Oh my goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. I'm going to go in one more time, okay? Here we go. Whoa, look at all those worms I just picked up. So, boy, purple is winning right now. I've got 7 purples, and I've got, another green. I've got 5 greens, and I've got 3 yellow. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can bring my computer up so you can see what my graph looks like. Let's see if I can get super close. Oh my goodness. That's kind of hard to see, but you can tell which color has the most. Purple has the most right now. I have 7. Which one has the least? Or the fewest of any color? 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 yellow. And the one right in the middle is green. I have 5 green worms. So you guys can play this over and over again. Sometimes, let's say purple got to the top and it won, then I would have the most, right? See if some of your colors come out, you catch them, and you have, by the time one reaches the top, maybe the other 2 colors are the same. They have the same amount. I don't know. You'll have to just see and try it a few times and count them out and see what happens. Anyway, I would love for you to take a picture of you doing this work, or a picture of what your graph looks like when you're done, when somebody wins, when a color wins, okay? All right, we'll have some wormy fun.